Okay, so welcome back. When I do the toe rolls, I'm holding the roll and I'm putting it here at the big toe side, and I'm going to do the 3 roll arounds. Why? I want to make sure that this is anchored, and I'm not going to use tape. So, because I don't want to damage her skin, and usually the wrapping has to be done more than once, and you use enough tape, you'll irritate it. The skin. Oops. Okay, so I went around the foot 3 times, and I come up to the end of the big toe. And I'm going to go around the big toe 2 to 3 times. Again, toe lengths vary tremendously. I wasn't aware of that until I actually started doing a lot of wrapping. And then I realized how different feet and fingers are. Alright, so I bring it around so the toe's all covered, like a little mummy. Then I go around the foot to anchor it, and I come back up to the second toe, and I come down the toe. So on Katie's toes, it's only 2 loops, and then the third time I come up, I come down. If somebody has a much longer toe, then you sometimes have to do 3 because you do need it all covered. So I come up to the third toe.
I have really tiny toes.
So I'm wrapping around. She does have tiny toes because I've wrapped a lot of toes in my life. So I want to keep this as flat and as smooth as I can, and this toe is short enough that there is going to be a small little fold in there. Again, you want to be careful how much pressure you put as you pull or you bring that gauze around there. So you're just basically laying this more on the skin. You are not yanking on it or putting pressure on it, because if you do that, especially at the base of the toe, you can cause issues with the gauze pressing too tight on the skin. Now on some toes, she does have, even though they're short, I'm wrapping these 2 separately. Sometimes on really tiny little toes, I'll wrap it with this toe, but her little toe does have enough length, I think I can do 1 loop. I like to do them separately when there is enough length on that little toe, because it tends to stay on better, but it's just 1 circle around the little baby guy, or gal. There we go. Alright, you want to leave those ends open so you can make sure, and the person can make sure that the color of the toes is good. So once I've applied the toe wrap, I would then apply the padding to the whole leg, and then I would follow up with the wrapping to the whole leg, which is the other video. See you soon.